Hey everyone, this is Dion with Hadaway Doors, and today we're going to go ahead and hook up the biometric system. Okay, before we get started, I'm just going to go over a couple things. Your power supply, in the past videos, you had to cut that off. Now it comes with this cool little connector, and you just plug it in like that. But for now, we're going to leave it unplugged. This way nothing gets fried as we're wiring up. And I ran little jumper wires off of that and off the electronic strike this way to make it easier for the wiring. When you run all your wires through your walls and stuff like that to these devices, you'll use like a low voltage, like a garage door photo eye wire or something like that, like this here. So all right, let's get started. All right, for the time being, we're going to go ahead and just tuck this out of the way. And it really don't matter how you kind of hook this up, positive, negative wise, as long as one of them goes to one and one goes to the other. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this up to the positive on our push to exit button. And I'll go ahead and hook this up to the negative to the push to exit button. And the push to exit button, your black and green wire, you'll hook together and hook it up to the negative. So on the push to exit button, you're only going to need your red wire, your green and black, and your yellow wire. Okay, now for our thumb reader, this is the 3027 thumb reader. So we're going to hook yellow to yellow on our push to exit button from our thumb reader, yellow to yellow. We're going to hook the red to the positive. And then from your thumb reader, you're going to use the black and brown wire, and you'll hook them together, and that'll hook to the negative. So now last to hook up, and let me go over this, from your thumb reader, you're only going to use your green wire, your black and brown wire, and your red and yellow. All right, so now all that's left is the electronic strike. So you're going to hook one of these to the positive, and it don't matter on this, and let me go over this. There's two ways to connect this thing, but you're not going to connect it here. You're going to, this is for probably some kind of like ADT system, alarm system, or something like that. This is where you want to hook it to these two little screws right here, and that's it. And it, same thing, it doesn't matter as long as one goes to positive and one goes to the other wire that you need to go to. So we'll hook one of these to the positive. And then your other side will go to the green wire from your thumb reader. I know it kind of looks like a little bit of a mess. I'm trying to explain this. We're also going to be putting this up. This is a schematic, like a wiring diagram. Makes it real easy for you. Okay, to program this thing, it's going to come with this little card, and the one side is add user. It just explains it, to add a user, and the other side is to delete it. And it doesn't matter how you put this. There's not one side works and the other side is for something else. It just tells you both things on each side. So let's go ahead and program a fingerprint in here. I'm going to use my index finger. So you want to read the card, and you got to do it 3 times. And then read the card again, and now it should have my fingerprint in there. Yep, we're good to go. Everything unlocked. It'll lock back. There it goes. So now my fingerprint's in there. So now I'm going to add a key fob. And this is real simple. It's just one time. You read the card, read the key fob, read the card again, and it's done. There you go. And then a key card. Same thing. You're going to read this little card, read the key card, and then read the little card again, and it's set. There we go. And that is how you hook up the biometric system.